If your carpet has stains that just won't come out, you're about to learn 12 professional carpet cleaning secrets. No expensive equipment, no fancy machine required. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to handle almost any stain that hits your carpet. Before we get into the 12 methods, here's the one rule every professional follows. Always blot, never rub. Press a clean white cloth straight down onto the stain and lift it back up, working from the outer edge in. Rubbing just pushes the stain deeper into the fibers and spreads it wider. And always test a new solution on a hidden patch first. Some cleaners can fade certain carpets.
Tip number 1. Dish soap and warm water. Mix a small amount of dish soap into warm water, apply it to the stain, let it sit for a few minutes, then blot. This is your go-to for food, tea, and soft drink spills. Tip number 2. White vinegar plus dish soap. This combo is a professional favorite for coffee and tea stains because the acidity in vinegar helps break down the tannins that cause the discoloration. Tip number 3. Baking soda. Sprinkle it directly onto the stain, let it sit and absorb, then vacuum it up. This one's especially effective on odors and pet stains.
Tip number 4. Hydrogen peroxide. Mixed with a drop of dish soap, this lifts blood stains and stubborn tea marks, especially on light-colored carpets. Always test it first because it can bleach darker carpets. Tip number 5. Club soda. Safe for virtually any carpet and best used the moment a spill happens, before it has a chance to set. Tip number 6. Rubbing alcohol. This is your fix for ink and nail varnish. It breaks down the pigment fast. Tip number 7. An enzyme cleaner. This is the only real solution for pet urine because it breaks the odor down at a molecular level instead of just masking it. One important note, never use ammonia here. It actually attracts pets back to the same spot. Tip number 8. Cold water and dish soap, specifically for blood stains. Cold water only. Hot water sets the protein in blood right into the fibers. Tip number 9. Cornstarch or baking soda. Apply dry first, before you add any dish soap. This is the professional approach to grease and oil stains, pulling out the oil before you introduce water. Tip number 10. A dry cleaning solvent, applied to a cloth rather than directly onto the carpet. This is what you reach for on stubborn tar or old grease stains that won't respond to soap and water. Tip number 11. Steam cleaning. For deep set or dried stains, a handheld steamer loosens the bond between the stain and the fibers before you extract it. And tip number 12, salt. On a fresh spill, sprinkle salt immediately. It absorbs the liquid before it has time to bond with the carpet fibers. A few extra notes on tricky stains. For paint, check the can first. Water-based paint lifts with soap and water, but oil-based paint needs a mineral spirit solvent. For nail varnish, speed is everything. Blot immediately, then use a non-acetone remover on a cloth, never straight onto the carpet, and be extra cautious on wool.
Now, the mistakes that undo all of this. Scrubbing instead of blotting. Using hot water on protein-based stains. Oversaturating the carpet. And, this one's important, never mix bleach with ammonia or vinegar. That combination creates toxic fumes. Most stains will come out with these 12 methods and a little patience, but some, deep set, aged, or on delicate wool, need a professional's touch. Or it might just be time for a new carpet altogether. At Lush Loom, we help you choose carpets that are easier to maintain and built to last, along with flooring, curtains, and full interior solutions for your home or office. Message us on WhatsApp or visit lushloom.ae for a free estimate. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it.